For those of you that haven't seen, this is our R6 swapped Chinese side-by-side. We got it for like a couple $100. Didn't have seats, didn't have extra bars, didn't have the engine, didn't have anything at all. Basically, it felt fine. Then we found a $200 junk R6 engine. Then we put it in here. And it's just as sketchy as it sounds, like 100 horsepower, a couple $100 side-by-side, if you want to call it that. I think it came like with a 10 horsepower engine. Currently, we've probably had it up to 100. Dad, would you say 100? Fast. It's going real fast. And it gets real sketchy when you're going that fast.